Storm windows rattling in the wind can drive anyone crazy, but there are some simple fixes that actually work to stop that annoying noise. So, first off, check if your storm windows are loose in the frame. That's usually the main reason they rattle. You can tighten any screws or fasteners holding the window in place to make things snugger. If the window sash or frame has gaps, try adding weather stripping or foam tape around the edges to cushion the fit and block out wind. Sometimes the glass itself shakes because it's not secured well, so popping in some glazing points or applying clear silicone caulk around the edges helps keep it steady. If your windows have old, cracked putty, replacing it can improve stability and reduce noise. Another trick is putting small rubber bumpers or felt pads where the window touches the frame to absorb vibrations. Also, double-check your window locks. They need to pull the window tight against the frame to prevent movement. If you're dealing with really strong winds often, investing in heavier-duty storm windows with thicker glass might be worth it to limit rattling. One of the biggest mistakes people make with storm window rattling is ignoring loose frames or failing to secure screws properly. Fixing this just means tightening everything up so nothing wiggles. Another common issue is skipping weather stripping or using cheap materials that don't seal well, which lets wind sneak through and cause noise. Using quality weather stripping or foam tape fixes that right up. Lastly, many folks don't bother to replace old glazing putty or add bumpers between glass and frame, but that leaves windows vulnerable to shaking from even mild gusts. Replacing putty and adding rubber pads will quiet things down significantly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle all kinds of window repairs and improvements. It also gives contractors a platform to find new jobs and grow their business by reaching more people looking for reliable help.